In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Microsoft Word documents by restricting editing access. This is an essential skill, especially if you often deal with sensitive information or collaborate with others. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to control who can modify your document, ensuring that your work remains just the way you intended. Let's get started by opening your Microsoft Word file. Go ahead and open the document you want to protect. It could be any Word file you have saved on your computer. Maybe it's a work-related file or something personal, like a journal entry or a creative project. Having the document open in front of you will make the following steps much easier to follow. Once your document is up, direct your attention to the top left corner of your Word interface. You'll notice various tabs like Home, Insert, and so on. Look for the File tab, which is the first one on this menu. Clicking on File will take you to the Backstage view of your document, where many important, albeit sometimes overlooked, features reside. In the File section, find the Info tab. This area is essentially the control center of your document. Here, you'll see options related to your document's permissions, versions, and properties. Clicking on Info sets the stage for our next pivotal steps. Now, within the Info section, you should see a button labeled Protect Document. Clicking this will unfold a list of options related to safeguarding your document. It's a powerful feature, one that allows you to restrict access in multiple ways. We are focusing on editing restrictions here, so in the drop-down list, select Restrict Editing. Upon selecting Restrict Editing, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you can specify what types of modifications, if any, are allowed on the document. You could choose a variety of settings depending on how much freedom you want to give to other users. For those looking to retain absolute control over their document's content, this feature is indispensable. In many cases, you'll just want to check the option that limits editing to form filling, or perhaps you might only allow tracked changes from designated individuals. Once you've set the desired restrictions, you'll likely be prompted to apply a password. This adds an additional layer of security, ensuring that only those with a password can lift these restrictions. And just like that, you've protected your document. You've taken control of how your work can be interacted with, minimizing the risk of unwanted edits or alterations. Congratulations, you're all done. With these steps, you can now confidently protect any Word document, maintaining its integrity and security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. See you in the next video.